1, 2, 3, 4. If Connor attacks and I'm at my back, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to use my weight. So here, you'll notice it does a small shift and then just drops. So I'm using this arm to simply drop it. And I follow that with a strike. The strike also stops the shoulder. The jams the shoulder. Nonetheless, he's going to come through with the other hand. Okay. Punches again, or grabs. Normally the punch would be on the other hand, on that side and in. This time Jeff's not using, he's using the same motion, the same hand, but he is blocking there. And that actually has different use. You don't always have to use it on the inside. So there's two options. One is a cross, bang, and the other is bang. Same principle, okay? Good, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here. The movement was 1, 2, 3. So from there, it doesn't matter if he's decided, I've punched him here, he stopped that hand, okay? I'm going to grab that, round, fly the lock, go straight in there. If this all fails, slips out, I miss that, I have the punch, inevitable, sorry, and I'm smashing that now. And from here with a step through, and that's the next step. So if we watch in the form, we're going, that step through allows me extra torque in a very tight situation. So it's grab the hand, I've come around, I've failed that lock, gone in there, punched, stepped there, and now from there. That's more. That turn. That fails. Okay. I've got that jam, step, and as Jeff has shown before, another little bit of 5 in.